I've got 3 small ephemera packs ready to go for my Etsy shop, so let's open them now. Oops. So we've got a lot of coffee dyed stuff here in the other packs as well. So some of these are, they do have some embellishments on here. I'll just get up closer to the camera. So we have a flower with a piece of wood here, and then the brad goes through. Nice coffee dyed. Another small coffee dyed piece. Piece of cardstock that goes really well with that. This is also coffee dyed. It's kind of grunge. It is, looking closely here, it's graph paper. It's a light coffee dye. This is a vintage card. And you can, these are the cards that they open right up. And they're really, really thick cardstock. I'll look at this part later. And a coffee dyed recipe card. Another one with a little bit of pink in it, and then it's punched out with the circle punch, 3 inches. Then you get 1, 2, 3 coin envelopes. And I can't see. 2 bookmarks with the holes already punched in. And 2 more bookmarks, and these are botanical. I really love these. And then you've got a zigzag kind of a cardboardy thing here. Love this. This is a piece of very old vintage 100% cotton. I think it was a pillowcase. So it's doubled up. This is the edge of the pillowcase, and it is stamped. So you can rip this apart or cut it, wrap it around a whole page, make pockets out of it. So that's one kit. And we have a second one here. This one's really different. So just an oval shaped cardstock. We've got some botanical stickers. Little pieces. And then 2 wooden flowers. I love these cards, or not cards, tags. There's 3 of them, but I've got them attached together with that string. A bit more here. Discard ephemera, another botanical sticker. Oops, where am I here? Some vintage green buttons. This is a faux green, like a leatherette. Yeah, so that will make some great tags. And this is a sticky back kind of jute style trim. This is beautiful yarn. Really nice and thick. That'll make some great tag toppers as well. Or you could sew a page, as that gives a different element as well. Here's some more. This is 100% wool. I think you can see that. Maybe I'll take it out of the package. And then beautiful brown trim, see-through, very fine. I think there's a meter yard of this. And then I took my own stamps, and I stamped that. I think just one is stamped. Yeah, so you can take those apart, or you can actually glue them together if you want. I'll just leave that option for you. And then a wooden tag. And then we have a vintage Belding 3 bias tape packaging. I don't know, I think this is my favorite part of the package. So that's another one. That's the second one. And then the third one, really different again. So we've got these beautiful tags. I really enjoyed making these. I folded them into quite a few, or folded them in maybe 4 times over. Coffee dyed it, stamped it, sewed around, and then a beautiful trim at the top. And here's another one, a little bit different. And then it has a little, I don't know what this is. It almost looks like a shell. So that's attached to that with a safety pin. Super cute. 2 recipe cards that are coffee dyed. 2 larger tags that are coffee dyed. Some coupons. A recipe card with the Eiffel Tower. This one was fun to make. It's a long bag, originally white. I coffee dyed it, cut it down, and I sewed some fabric on there. Oh, that's so pretty. Little to my dearly beloved little stamp on there. And we have a coffee dyed envelope with 2 coffee dyed doilies. Lots of coffee dyed stuff in this one. This is a nice thick envelope, coffee dyed, and this one's quite thick. It's crunchy sounds. Some note paper to add some color. This is a wine label, French wine label, Vieux Chateau du Roi. And then some really thick packaging material stamped and then sewn around. I love the sewing. I absolutely love the texture that it gives, just a different element. And then you've got your pieces of pattern pieces from a McCall's 8379 pattern. If you're missing this piece, I've got you. You've got it right here. Anyway, quite a few pieces of that. These look great when you use like a gel medium and you put it on top of a cardstock. It looks great. And another one really thick, really thick cardstock. And that's coffee dyed. And then, I guess this is kind of a French theme, this little ephemera kit. Merci, we got a poodle, and Paris is always a good idea. So just to add some color to the grunge, I think they go really well together. So these are the 3 little kits I have. I don't want to mix them up. Them over here and this guy here. So just watch for Etsy this weekend, possibly Saturday or Sunday. I'll have these uploaded. I still have to take a few pictures and update the listing and stuff and package them up and get them all ready. So just give me a couple days and I'll have them up. So thank you again for watching, and more product coming in the week.